Once upon a time in Puzzle Land, three friends Ollie, Sara, and Raju went on an adventure. Glowing star, they found a mysterious treasure box, but to open it, they had to solve three tricky puzzles. Puzzle piece. Magnifying glass tilted left. Puzzle number 1, spot the difference. Ollie found two pictures of a jungle. But wait. Thinking face, something was different. Can you find three differences? New moon. Puzzle number 2, guess the shadow. Sara saw a strange black shadow on the wall. Is it a lion face or a cat face, she wondered. Can you guess the right answer? Input numbers. Puzzle number 3, what comes next? Raju found a secret code, keycap 2, keycap 4, keycap 6, _. He scratched his head. What number comes next? Can you help him? After solving all the puzzles, the treasure box opened with a sparkle. Wrapped gift sparkles inside. They found a magical book, open book that made them smarter and sharper. Do you want to solve more fun puzzles like this? Like, share and subscribe for more brain games. Party Popper.